here. So this is the head in the clouds: building, control, energy, health, home, input, light, retail, telecom. So and so many sectors are there, and it is connected with the cloud or intelligence at some platform. I'm showing one video. This is a funny video, but leaves a important message. Please see this one.
Playing jazz.
Playing jazz.
Smoothie.
Making smoothie.
Calendar.
No meetings today. Remember, tandläkare at 9:30.
Fire off.
Fire off.
Open door.
Door open.
Sånn, så skal vi sette en til.
Ja. Open door.
Wrong voice command.
Open door.
Wrong voice command.
Open. Open door.
Repeat that.
Open door.
I didn't understand that.
Hey, open door.
Play on the floor.
Sing on the floor.
Get on the floor. Open the door.
Wrong voice command. Error.
Hey, William. With a rock. Open door. Open door.
Higher volume. Higher.
So it was a funny video basically, but leaves a very serious message. Have you got the idea about this one? What serious message is there?
Yes, sir.
And if
Sir, a machine is after all a machine.
yeah, everything will be in a connected manner. Or if something goes wrong, life can become a hell. And another
Yes,
phase
sir.
of this one is whenever machine will be more powerful than the humans. Okay, we are regularly feeding power in the machines. Whenever machines will get the more powerful than the humans, it will be a challenging or tough task for all of us. So it's all about the data. In the final stage, the IoT technologies have been around for a long time. Advances in communication and connectivity are along the interconnectedness needed for IoT. The value is in the data, not the connections. Okay, please remember in this one, okay, we have seen in the data-driven economy through the IoT also, okay, value is not in a IoT, value is in a data. Value is not in a AI. AI is not a new concept. Okay, AIT already invented in 1956. Okay, already invented in 1956. It is not a new concept, but why it is taking a shape nowadays, why it is becoming a more powerful? It is a magic of data. Data is just like a soul of any technology. If you minus the data, that it will not be any purpose. It will be a dead system or dead ecosystem. The data allows you to make autonomous decision based on business rules closer to the edge. Some serious issues are there with big data: security challenges, data confidentiality, privacy preserving, data correlation, personal and population privacy enhancing techniques, data service monetization, data publication, privacy implications of data equality, data ownership, data lifecycle management. All these things need to be changed, and some of you may be more curious what basically comes under the data privacy part, how data confidentiality is different from this one, and data publication, and this thing. So many things can come into your mind. So actual or my answer is this one is, it is not a nutshell. Basically it cannot be covered in a one topic. Okay, there is separate topic is there, that is the cyber hygiene. So I will try to cover this data confidentiality and privacy part inside that. IoT, fine. These are my final thought. IoT has been widely deployed with limited to no security. Okay, because IoT is a weak link. Okay, if somebody deliver you or somebody tell you that IoT is a secure one, no, it is not like that. So far, we have not got succeeded in a cyber security world. Okay, in a cyber world, we can say that it is 100% secure. No, you cannot say like that. IoT is a weak link and it is a challenging challenging task for that. So that's why we have not got succeeded to deploy those 50 million devices in that was earlier targeted in up to 2020 as massive. And COVID-19 also will leave the impact on this on the deployment of this, as massive amounts of data are being collected, stored, manipulated, merged, analyzed, and exploited. Security and privacy concerns will have begun to explode. Need scalable and practical solution of big data security and privacy, as applying big data management and analytics for the cyber security. Why it is that I'm taking this one? Because data is the soul for any IoT ecosystem. Without the data, you cannot imagine anything. Need to develop technologies guided by policies to address security and privacy issues throughout the life cycle of the data. Need to understand not only the impact of IoT, its ubiquitous data collection. Ubiquitous means uninterrupted and regular data collection, use and analysis. Also need to formulate appropriate laws and policies for such activities. So this was about my side. Any doubt is there up to this?
No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Or entire thing is doubtful?
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. No doubt.
So how much you rate out of 10? So because
Sir,
you
10,
are
sir.
with me more than 2 weeks, from more than 2 weeks. So how much
10
you
out of
rate?
10, sir.
अरे नहीं सर इतना नहीं है
No,
लेकिन
sir. Actually, sir, one thing I want to say, there may be people who may be more knowledgeable than you, but the
yes,
way you were teaching was
yes
really
sir.
great, sir. We
Okay,
learned a lot from you.
thank you sir, thank you. And
Exactly,
my
sir.
yes, and my
Sir, we
request from all of you, please connect it with me. Okay, please stay connected with me at least for 6 to 7 months. Okay, I will take your time only. Okay, I will take your 1 or 2 hour daily basis. Okay, or as per your convenience. And trust me, you will gain a lot. You will gain a lot, sir. This is my fees basically. कि 1 or 2 hour you have to spend on me, and further your sincere effort also, sir. Ultimately करना आपको ही है. ठीक है, आई डोंट हैव एनी इंजेक्शन थेरेपी कि इंजेक्शन इंजेक्ट किया और एवरीथिंग विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड. So but my promise is कि each and everything I will try to make it clear, sir. And it is my dream also कि every BSNL family member, my BSNL family member should at least should aware about these technologies, because time is for AI, machine learning, deep learning, and these type of technologies, sir. So that's why I am telling. Okay, for your personal upgradation also, it is very much essential. Okay, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I want to show you 2 or 3 videos also, that is not related to IoT.
से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है। लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उसके रहते हरगिज़ हुआ पड़ा है। कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
So last two video always motivate me, and that's why my heartily desire to share with all of you. That's why I have taken these two motivational videos. Whenever I fed up about the things, so I used to listen these two. So in the last, I want to thank and to make the Shashat Naman or Koti Koti Naman to Mahatma Jyotirbai Jyotira Phule and the Mata Savitri Bai Phule, and I am a strong supporter of girls education basically. And in 1851 Jyotiba established a girls school and asked his wife to teach the girls in the school. Later he opened two more schools for the girls and an indigenous school for all, or the lower caste especially. We all be indebted to him throughout our life. And believe me, you just search out over the Google and find how struggle life he lives and how much he struggles for betterment of all of us. And I want the promise from your side also, whenever and wherever you are, and as much as you can, please give the special emphasis to the girls education, especially in case of rurals, especially rurals also the situation is not up to the mark. It is my personal request to all of you, and I always wish to God whenever I take the next birth, so my life will be like Dr. Jyotiba, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. So by this we can end the session, and I request to all of you, please share your feedback with all your platforms in the various BSNL groups, Telegrams groups, how you like this IoT course, or how much you gain, whether fair feedback I require. Okay, wherever you feel, please share your feedback in all the groups, even Facebook also. Okay, and you can connect me with my WhatsApp and made through mail ID, and this is my Facebook ID. And it is not a last. Basically tomorrow also, from tomorrow also, I will start the industry 4.0, and after that we will start the 4-week or 3-week course of the Python also. Is there any suggestion from your side or any feedback you want to share? Anyone from you? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
any
sir.
feedback, any suggestion from your side?
No, sir. Let's write
No,
it
sir.
now.
Okay, so kindly share your feedback in all your WhatsApp group. Okay, in all your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, wherever you feel suitable, please share your positive feedback, and hope you have enjoyed a lot in IoT learning, and keep learning always. And please be interactive in WhatsApp group. It's your group, basically learning group, and it's not end basically today. From tomorrow I will start the industry 4.0, and I will try to take it in complete in this week, and after that we will start the Python course from next Monday. For 4 weeks or 3 weeks, I will decide the content. Basically I'm going to decide this content, and after that I will convey this one. So please stay connected with me, and please share your feedback in all WhatsApp group or Telegram group or whatever it may be, and please connect it with me over my WhatsApp group, my learning group also, through my mail ID also, or my Facebook ID also. Okay, so by this we can conclude the today's session. So please be interactive with me. Okay, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night.
Okay, good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Good night.